having troubles with your WASD keys not typing, but they have actually swapped with your arrow keys, well, you can fix that in this video. Hello everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem with your WASD keys have swapped with your or arrow keys, whatever you want to call them. So as you can see, I am clicking my I have the notepad open here, and as you can see, I am clicking these WASD keys, and they are not typing anything. But when I go over here to the arrow keys, they actually type those 4 keys that I'm wanting to type. So all you're going to want to do, let me just delete these here. All you're going to want to do is hold down this key here, and then click the W key. Now this should fix your problem. Remember, this only works on keyboards with this FN key on it. So it might not work with all keyboards, but as you can see, I am typing with these keys and it is still working. Let me back up my chair. As you can see, it is typing. It's still typing while I'm clicking these keys. I do not have another hand over here. I am still clicking this key, these 4 keys, and it is fixed. So I hope this video helped you out, and see you in the next one. Bye!